also organize these weddings where you have these guests coming in,
Yes.
special celebrities coming in.
yeah.
So give me the scoop, give me like something that that we generally don't get to know, but you get to know behind the scenes. That
Yeah.
what are these crazy demands that they come with? Because
Yeah.
I've heard stories
Yeah.
like they have like a diet chart or something, and you're like there's a separate chef coming along with
Yeah.
these stars. Are these stories all true?
There was one recently who was like in his list of things, he wanted a specific hair dryer of a specific brand. So I found that so interesting. I was like, oh my god, that's brilliant. But honestly, I've not had any issues with any celebrity drama.
Okay.
They're all like lovely, and obviously they need to give a list of requirements because you
Yeah.
don't know, maybe they're performing in different parts of the world where
Yeah.
they've not got what should have been respectfully given to them, right?
Yeah.
So all these guys come with like guidelines of what there must be in their room.
Right.
And that just makes it very easy for us to know, and then easy for them to be happy, and then they go on stage, perform really nicely, and come back.
And everybody's happy.
So basically, you coordinate with the artist manager.
Yes.
And they give you a list of things that are required, and then you just go with the flow, and this is how you technically do it. Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's lovely.